Alright, what's going on, guys? If you're having trouble with your Hyundai Sonata starting after you get gas, I'm going to show you the problem that needs to be solved. And it is this. Let me see, can I get it to focus? This is the purge valve. And this is what the main culprit of why your car is not starting after you fill up. Now I'll show you where it's located. See if you guys can see it. It's a piece that is, get the focus. So I'm gonna pop this cover off. Alright, so with the cover off, if you guys can see this piece right here, it is up under here. And it looks just like this. In order to get to it, all you do is unscrew this with a Phillips head screwdriver. Take off the clamps off the air filter box. There's 2 clamps in the front, 2 in the back. 2 back here. Just unclamp that. Pull this entire piece out right here. And this right here will be attached to the engine. And to see if it's bad or not, you take it and blow in it on one side. If air comes out, then you need to replace it. Don't take it to the mechanic because they're going to tell you need a fuel pump, just like they told me. And the guy said it's going to be like $730. And this only cost me $44 at Advanced Auto Parts. So I hope this solves the issue, guys, with you filling up and your car is hard to start. I will see, can I drop video footage of me at the gas station. Alright, guys. Alright, so we're just not leaving the Shell gas station. Got my receipt. So we're gonna try to crate my car. Let's see. There it is. It cut right back off. And try it again.